If you're a senior civil engineer and you feel you've got some leadership potential you'd like to put to good use, then listen up for a minute, because I have a company and a specific role I'd like to tell you about. This company is a civil engineering consultancy, a professional consultancy specializing in property and land development. These are exciting projects. They're complex enough to get your mind working and get you onto the engineering and make it challenging and rewarding for people as an engineer. But they're also fast moving enough so you get to see the rewards or the results of your work. This company is at an interesting phase, and that's what makes this exciting from a career planning point of view. You see, as companies grow, often they go through a first phase where it's the challenge. It's setting up the systems, getting to know the clients, picking the projects, getting to know the projects that don't work, the clients that don't work, dealing with those, refining those until you've got good clients, good projects, good team, good systems. They've already done this. So they're at the stage where they're at 9 or 10 people and they're ready to expand for the next phase. And this is where you would come in. Because as an engineer, you'd come on initially in something like a technical lead role, but somebody who would enjoy, yes, the engineering side of things, but also someone who's going to take a strategic view on the development of the capability and the capacity of the team to meet the future roles or the future projects. Now, this is a small consultancy. This has one director, and we're looking for someone who's going to come along who has proper leadership potential. This is not a company. This is not a huge international consultancy where you're a cog in the wheel. This is also not a one-man band where it's going to be you and them every day. What's the workplace like? Well, there's a consultancy, which is this is a consultancy we're talking about, which is a civil consultancy. But as well, in the same workplace, we have an architectural firm, landscape architects, interior designers. And it's that cross-disciplinary collaboration that really makes things exciting. It does two things, of course. I don't need to tell you, is that you get that exchange of information, you get to know what's going on from the other side, but also it's a great way to resolve things very, very quickly if you're working on the same projects, and this will happen. So it's a dynamic workplace. They're dynamic projects, fast-moving projects. It's an entrepreneurial company. They've proven themselves already. They've got the systems, they've got the team, and all they need is you to give me a call to find if you could be of interest to them and if they could be of interest to you. So what do? Well, get your application in for a start. If you've got a CV that's reasonable, get it to me. Ring up, have a chat. Any of those things can work out. Nothing's going to happen until you take some action, because I can sit here and talk, but until you come to me, I'm not going to know about you. Let's start the ball rolling.